What have we now? Hedge cutters. Not a set of cordless ones. Corded. Haven't seen these ones in a while. Used to get these on all the time for this exact problem. Because of cordless stuff, you don't get it as often anymore. The inevitable sliced kibble. Everybody's done it. How do you get around it? Don't be just sticking on a pair of strap connectors onto this. Two main ways of fixing it, depending on where you actually cut the cable. One, you can put on a 3-pole connector, secure line connector, put this onto your machine, this onto your mains cable, connect them up, work away. That's the quick and easy way of doing it. They're quite cheap as well, not too expensive, but because this one's only a wee shortcut, I'll actually just wire it back into the machine itself. There's plenty of cable left. This is a neater way of doing it, but like I say, depends where you cut it. If you cut it halfway up the cable, you're going to lose half the length. Not really much point. Prise these up, just run a screwdriver down, click them out. That comes off. The same with this one. It's just pressed in. You can get that last screw. You just left off. I'm going to see which way she's wired on. That's not so bad. This wee yellow box is just a wee noise suppressing capacitor. That'll be wired onto the mains. So simple enough. Cut them off, take off your live neutral. Then strip back the capacitor, rewire that back onto the lead again. You can do away with that if you like. We'll just keep it for the now. That's it. All these wires hooked back in. Stick her back together. And that should be her. I'll just click back into place. go. Everything else just clips on. Everything out of the way so we don't cut nothing else. One flymo hedge cutter up and running again. At least it was cut nice and short, so we could just joint it back into the body. That's her. Simple as that, 3 connected.